Guys, susubukan natin mag-push up guys kahit 50 lang, or 50 or 80. Kahit 80 lang kung kaya ba natin mag-push up ng 80 straight. Nag-gloves ako, masakit eh. Okay, 80. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 18, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 45, 46, 47, 50, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 60, 60, 64, 65, hinihingal ako dyan, 70, 71, 72, 74, 76, 7, 8, 9, 80, 81, 82, 84, 86, 7, 9, 90, 92, 94, 95, 96, 7, 99, 100, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 111, woo! Nelson lang sa kalam, 111 push-ups. Grabe guys, Nelson lang sa kalam, 111 push-ups. Pag nag-send kayo ng video dito, nalalagpasan nyo yung 111 push-ups, magpapa-Gcash ako sa inyo guys, pang ulam. Just comment, just comment below. Comment lang guys kung malagpasan nyo yung 111 na push-up, may pa-Gcash kayo sa akin. Diyan eh.